In this video, we will learn how to make beautiful slide using illustration in PowerPoint. Watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, go to Icon and click on Illustration. Select this and insert it. Click on right button, convert to shape. Increase size like this. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Change the color of shape, set it like this and select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Select this, cut using Ctrl X. Go to the first slide and paste it here. Set it like this and select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Select both again. Go to Shape Format and select Union from Merge Shape. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master. Select and delete. Paste here. Click on Insert Placeholder. Select Picture. Drag it. Send to back. Click on Outside. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide. Select this title slide. Click icon to add picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. And also select background color using eyedropper. Increase transparency. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Go to second slide. Select this and set it to the top. Now select the text boxes. Set them like this. Go to Transition. Select Morph and increase duration size. Now go to first slide. So look how beautiful slide we have prepared using illustration. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.